I've rebuilt the core of the engine, and I just want to show you that real quick, and it'll probably be the last of the videos for this Venator. There will be another video afterwards how I attach it to the frame of the ship to stabilize that, and hopefully you won't need those supports. So basically what you're going to need is a 4x4 brick with the holes in the side, round, a 4x4 plate with a hole. It can be like that if you want. It doesn't need to be solid. 4 blue pins, and this part right here you're going to get rid of. So all you have to do is attach the plate, the brick, put the pins in, and then they attach to the 1 by, I think it's an 18 sub-assembly, you know, this thing right here, and then that's the 2 by, that runs the length of the thing. I didn't count that. So you can see that I'm able to jigger this around a little bit or flip it around, and it's not coming apart, whereas before it would have completely fallen apart. So hopefully that'll help you. The next video, as I said before, will be to attach it. Thanks. So this is the second part of the Venator rebuilding of the main engines. These are from the original build. This is from the original build. This is from the original build. This is from the bottom of the engine. It's just that one plate as built. The parts I added are the 1x4 brick, the 2x6 plate, and the 2 1x4 plates. And these and this become this part right here. Hopefully you can see it a little bit. And you're just going to attach it to the original 1x4 brick that they had. And then that is going to go, bear with me because I know this is hard to film and put together. So originally that brick was upright like that, the dark gray one. You're going to flip it around and just put it back onto those pins right there. And then you're going to replace this that you just took off. That goes right back here. And that's pretty much it for that part. Now I'm going to have to put the camera down or stop the video to put the other part in. When I show this to you, basically the 2x6 is just going to go right here, but I can't hold the camera and put that on together at the same time. So I'll show you what that looks like as soon as I'm done. There is the final build. You can see that the brick is upside down, and I know it's going to go out of focus here, but this is where that 2x6 plate is. Now you're going to notice a slight, it's not exact. It still holds pretty well, but it's not exact. You can see there's a slight curve in it because it's just a hair's difference between a standard bricks and the way it fits, but it still holds pretty well. It doesn't really move around very much. I am kind of happy with the build. It's much more stable, and I no longer need the little supports for the back of the engines. They're there because you can see now that when you move the engine, the whole thing is kind of shaking, whereas before the engine just kind of lifts off the plate right in this area. So do it if you like. Hope that helps. Bye.